Hi, I am Hiral. Welcome to our channel Computer Saarthi. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students, today we are going to learn about some shortcut buttons on the window and Windows 7 accessories like a calculator and the touchscreen computers. Shortcut buttons in a window. First one is a minimize button. After clicking on this button, the window shrinks to the taskbar. If we click this minimize button, the window shrinks to the taskbar. Maximize button. After clicking on this button, we can increase the size of the window to its maximum. If we use this maximize button, then by using this maximize button, we can increase the size of the window to its maximum size. Restore down button. We can resize the window by clicking this button. When we maximize a window, the maximize button looks like this restore down button. This restore down button resizes the window back to its original size. Close button. We can close a window by clicking this button. If we want to close the particular window, then we just have to use this close button and we can able to close the window. Windows 7 accessories. Calculator. You all are aware with the calculator. By using the calculator, we can able to perform a calculation. Windows 7 also has a calculator to solve a simple problems. Windows 7 also having one accessory named a calculator, by using which we can able to solve the problems in the computer system. Let us see how to open a calculator and how can we use this calculator. To solve the sum using Windows 7 calculator, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Start button. We can see at the extreme left of the taskbar, we can see one button which is known as the Start button. Simply click on it. Step 2. Click All Programs. We can see over here the all programs over here. Just click on it. Click on Accessories. In this we can able to see one folder named the Accessories. Simply click on these accessories. From the submenu, click on the calculator. These are the available accessories in the Windows 7. In this we have to select this first one named a calculator. After clicking on this, we can able to see the one calculator over here which is available in the Windows 7 for the calculation. On this calculator, we can able to see the buttons for the digit 0 to 9. Also, we can see the button add, subtract, multiplication, division, and the equal to. Let us solve the one problem by using this calculator. For example, to solve 5 plus 2, click 5, then plus, then 2, and then click the equal to button for get the result. Here we can see the summation of the 5 plus 2 is 7. Touchscreen computers. Touchscreen computers allows us to control it with a touch of our finger. This touchscreen computer allows us to control the management by using the touch of our finger. These are the examples of the touchscreen computers, that are the touchscreen tablet, touchscreen mobile, and the touchscreen monitor. In this we are going to learn about this touchscreen tablet. A tablet is a touchscreen computer, as we saw in the previously that the touchscreen tablet is come under the touchscreen computers. It comes in a variety of shape, size, and the feature. These touchscreen tablets are available in the different sizes, different shapes, and with the different features. Features of a tablet. Tablets are mainly used to watch movies, play games, read e-books, listen music, search for information, send and receive emails, and maintain record. Tablets are mainly used for watching movies and the playing games. If we want to read something from the internet, then we can able to read through this tablet. If we want to listen the music, then we can also use this tablet for listening the music. If we want to search something on the internet, then also we can search on the internet and getting the information by the touch screen tablet. By using this, we can also able to send and receive the emails, and we can also maintain the records. It has a virtual keyboard which is useful for online chatting, social networking, and sending emails. We all are aware with this virtual keyboard that we already use in our mobile phones. The same virtual keyboard is also available in this tablet. By using this virtual keyboard, we can able to chat online. We can do a social networking and sending emails in the touch screen tablet. Let us see some multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option from the given option. You can change the position of the clock, taskbar or title bar. Yes, we can change the position of the taskbar. Windows is developed by Blank Corporation, Microsoft, Pentium or Parley. Yes, Windows is developed by a Microsoft Corporation. Quick launch bar is present on the blank. Desktop, start menu or taskbar. Yes, quick launch bar is present on the taskbar. Thank you.
Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.